What's good, you guys? So I'm back with my monthly Shein unboxing. As you guys know, I do receive PR packages from Shein each and every month. So today is going to be sort of like my fall slash winter stock, because they have a lot of cute like long sleeve wears. This first is a tracksuit top by someone. It did come with the pants, but I just wanted the top. I really love the color. And then I got these khaki style pants. They're very stretchy and I cannot wait to wear these. I love how the back doesn't have pockets. They are tall girl friendly. Then this next, I got this cute pink blouse. I love the fact that the sleeves are really long. Y'all are gonna learn that I just love stuff that's like overly like dragon, like I don't know how to explain it. And then this next item that I got is this two-piece skirt and this top. I thought this was so cute because it's giving business, like real classy, real demure. If you guys want to try on, I'm gonna come back and do a separate video on that, or just go over to my TikTok because I usually post all of my try-ons over there. But yeah, that's that. And also I'm gonna link all of the codes in the stores to these items down below. The next item that I got is this two-piece track set in the color yellow. I thought this was so cute. They do have other colors as well, and I love the back, like how it has the pockets. But let's just hope that this is tall girl friendly. I haven't tried any of this on yet, but I'll also put like the sizes down below if you guys want that as well. Next, I got these light colored jeans, because you can never go wrong with a good pair of jeans. And all of the jeans that I get, you know, they be stretchy. So if you're looking for a good pair of jeans, just know I got you, because I know how to pick my jeans, and those are super long as well. Then next, I got this cute top. It sort of has like this vintage like ruffle thing going on. I don't know, I just like it because it looks real different. Yeah. And then I also got, what is this? I think these are the stockings that is going to go with that two-piece skirt set that I got. These are super thick as well. All right, so for the next package, a lot of this stuff was for my daughter, so I just didn't open it. It's sort of like this flannel, plaid flannel. She got some things for school. I'm gonna just leave it in the package because it's not mine. Then I also got some more flip-flops. These are so cute, yo. Like, I've been really into like brown, tan, like it's just been giving. It's been going with my summer complexion. And then what is this? I also got this cute, like I said, I'm really into the brown, this lace sort of like corset kind of thing. I love this top. It's super cute. If you guys didn't already see it, I wore it in my last TikTok video. And then I think she got some black leggings. I also got some jewelry from Shein. Do not sleep on Shein's jewelry, y'all. Like, when I tell you jewelry be stacked, okay. And then I got these cute vintage earrings. They are so like, their quality. Them things is heavy, honey. I also got these leggings. You can never go wrong with a good pair of leggings. And like I said, they're super stretchy. Your girl be knowing how to pick her bottoms, okay? And then I think this is my daughter's as well. So I'm gonna just go ahead and leave that in the pack. That's hers as well. This girl love her some black, honey. She got like 15 pairs of black leggings, but and then like a white top or something like that. All right, what's next? Is that for me? Nope, that's hers too. Child, these kids be having more clothes than me. And then some more jewelry. I also got these like cute Chinese style slides. And that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. So like I said, if you want to see the try on, just come back. I'm gonna do a separate video for that. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye, guys.